Well, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how do you know what is the best Medicare Advantage plan for your situation. Hello there, my name is Patricia. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to know what is the best Medicare Advantage plan out there, then keep watching. My clients are always asking me, Patricia, what is the best Medicare Advantage plan? What company would you choose? What would you put your mother on? What company would you choose? So in today's video, we're going to break down the process and how we help our clients choose the best Medicare Advantage plan for their particular needs. I need you to understand that one size does not fit all. It really depends on your particular situation. So let's go over the steps on how we help our clients pick the plan that best fits their needs. Okay, so first let's talk about the first thing that we ask our clients to bring in is the list of their medications. It's very important that we do a thorough medication search. We're going to look at the cost of your medications, the medications you're on, how often you take those medications, and what pharmacy do you pick up your medications at as well. So this is very important to know the list of the medications that you're on to pick a plan that best pays for those prescription medications. Now, the next thing that we're going to look at is your doctors. Do your doctor take this particular plan? Okay, we want to know your specialist, your primary care. We want to know who you see for your eyes, your teeth, all of the above. Then we're going to make sure that your doctor is in fact in network with the best plan that best fits your medication. So we're going to link those two together, okay? Now, the third thing that is extremely important is your hospital preference. If something was to happen, what hospital do you want to go to? We're going to make sure that hospital is actually in network, okay? Some people forget this key piece, but that's very important as well. If something was to happen, what hospital do you want to go to? And the last thing we like to look at is the specialty category. Are you on oxygen? Do you have a home health company coming out to your house? Do you go to dialysis? These key things are important as well because we want to make sure that your medical equipment supply company is in network, that your dialysis center is also in network, that you can still get your oxygen machine, BiPAP machine, etc., etc. So those are things that we look at, and that's how we know what is the best plan for your particular needs. Like I said, it's not about what your neighbor has. It's not about what your best friend has. Even your spouse, you may be on a totally different plan that your spouse is on because your needs are totally different. Now let's do a quick recap. So these are the things that you want to check off your list to help you choose the best Medicare Advantage plan that best fits your particular needs. You want to look at your medication list, the doctor's network, hospital preference, and any special needs such as are you on oxygen, do you use a medical supply company, home health, and dialysis as well. Now let's talk about the last point that I want to talk about, and that is the difference between an HMO and a PPO plan. Once you kind of narrow down the company that you want to go with, think about, do you want an HMO plan or a PPO? So with the HMO plan, you would need a referral to see a specialist, okay? You have to stay within network. However, you get more benefits such as more dental, vision, and hearing. So that's one thing you want to look at. Now with the PPO, you'll typically get less benefits, less dental, vision, and hearing, but you don't need a referral to see a specialist, and you can see doctors outside of that network. However, you will have to pay more for those physicians. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video with a friend. We help our clients with Obamacare and Medicare as well. So if you need any help with any of these services, give our office a call. We'd be more than happy to assist.